What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys my first ever Lego Eclipse 8. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Looks exactly just like one, doesn't it? Here, I don't think it's focus. There you go. There it is, the Eclipse 8. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give 1 second, I'm going to tear this apart, and we're going to show you how to make my version of the Eclipse 8. Alright, and we are back. I tore this thing apart. I did turn on the light because it is getting dark outside. Right now, it's about ready to storm down here. So, so the pieces you'll need are at least, well, not at least, but over, I think, 20 studs. 24 studs to make the pole. You need two 2x4 bricks for the control boxes. I actually had this piece, so you'll need like a stud behind it so you can have it going out. You'll need 8 of these little clips, but you can have different colors. Sorry if I hit the tripod. These, that looks like that on the bottom. You'll need this. That's finishing it. Go focus. There you go. You'll need this, and you'll need a 2x4 round top. I'm going to show you guys, but this is like the Siren Head of my 508 I have. I'll show you guys all my other sirens in a minute. Some of them are like torn apart, so I'll get them all fixed. But we're going to do this. So, first thing you'll need 6 stud pieces and a big 1x3 round piece that has exact 3 studs. We're going to use these 6x6 tile plate with the studs on the bottom, of course. Guys, focus on the wheel. There you go. So we're just going to move this back, and we're going to have this right here. First, you need to do, I have decided this, the first control panel. It's starting to rain. So, ignore the rain. I'll just focus on something. You'll need to get 5 stud pieces. Whoa. It's storming out there like crazy. This, plus the 2x4 brick and the stud. Doesn't matter what color it is. I chose red and yellow. You need 3. You'll need 9 stud pieces. Again, doesn't matter. Then you'll need a clip. Using this, it will touch the controls. So, you want to make sure it's actually like touching the top control. And then you'll need this piece. Don't know the name of it, but you'll need to put it up there. And while you're at it, you need to add your next layers of studs. And then for the antenna, I'm using a 1x3 yellow tile plate with the studs on top. You need to have either a full black antenna or the bottom part, this part right here. This part could be either black or yellow or blue, whatever you choose. It's just like a little antenna. Excuse me, sorry about that. But right there, finishing up with the pole itself. Then you'll need to add this piece. It's a black one, but doesn't matter. No? Hold on. Wait 1 second. I think this part is supposed to go on the bottom. This one's supposed to go on the top. I'm a genius. This is... yeah. Yep. Just put it on the wrong part. Oh. That's not supposed to happen. Okay, now you're just making it difficult. Oh, I could have sworn. No, hold on. Gosh darn it. Alright, so now these things are connected from the controls to right here. Which now, since that's done with, what we're going to do is add another stud on the top of this. Now we're going to make the actual Siren Head itself. So you need to put this on top of this part, and then with your Eclipse pieces, I made like a little pattern. So I'm doing plain gray, dark gray, repeatedly, but I actually have two other pieces that do not match, and that's the black and the white part. The black and the white Eclipse. And then that. And then that. I'm gonna make sure they're all in like a different order. So shaboom. And what a bam. And there you have it, guys. You have made yourself your own Eclipse 8. And so yeah, this is my first ever Eclipse Siren. I have to... that tiny whip though. Alright, so I'm gonna bring some other Federal Signal Tornado Sirens I have made. For example, the 2001 130. Of course, it's just a control box, but oh, there it is. The 130, the SRB. Some of these I have to like fix, so. The Thunderbolt 1000T, which was not really that hard to make. But it ended up running on 2 antennas, so it was for dispatcher east and west. So here's the Thunderbolt. And then I've made an EWAS 612. I could have sworn I just saw that thing. Oh, there it is. And EOS 612 with a missing control panel. There's the EOS. And then, finally, I actually have one more siren as well. But, where's that rectifier? I know it's gonna be long. Sorry, guys. But, I have to make this thing as short as possible. We got the 508. Like I told you guys, it matches up with the Eclipse. The sound matches up with the Eclipse 8. Oh, here, we're gonna do this. And then, finally, one last siren, the Model 5, which is controlled by the fire department. So, yep, that is it. Those are my sirens. So we have the Eclipse 8, 130, the SRB, the 508, the EOS 612, Thunderbolt 1000T, and the Model 5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!